So these are the Edifier W830NB headphones. I have tested the older version of these headphones in the past and I was really impressed with them, but they've made a bunch of improvements, so we're going to check them out in this video today. I've got a really interesting test for you using some binaural headphones which will allow you to hear the audio quality and test some of the features like the active noise cancelling later in the video. If you want to skip that part, there will be time chapters below. I won't be offended, but that's coming later on, and it's a really unique way of testing headphones for you, so you can actually listen using earbuds how these perform and what they sound like, which is, you know, really important when you're thinking about buying a new product such as this. So £80, $80. These are really incredible value for money. They've made a bunch of improvements over the previous model of these, including a new ergonomic design. I think these look very slick. They come in three colours, a black, a grey and a sand white. They've made an improvement to the rotating hinge here. They've made it a lot stronger, and they've included a new metal band, which adds a lot more strength, a lot more durability to these headphones. I think they look really great, and first impressions, they are plastic, but the build quality is extremely good. So before we jump into the test, so you can actually listen to how these sound like, and we'll test the other features, let's just give you a bunch of specs for these £80, $80 headphones. So they've got high-res certified audio, which is 990 kilobytes per second, which is on average 3 times better than your average Bluetooth headphone. They have active noise cancelling up to minus 45 decibels, which is a 2 or 3 decibel improvement over the previous generation. They have up to 94-hour battery life without ANC, which is still good. So 94 hours is, class leading, really, up there with the class leading headphones that you can get on the market. So very good battery life. Built-in microphones, which we'll test as well with AI noise cancelling, so you'll be able to get some really good call quality with these because they actually connect to Android or your iPhone via Bluetooth. They pair really quickly, by the way. I had no problems pairing them, and they was pretty much instant with the pairing process. They are comfortable. They have memory foam pads, which are unfortunately not replaceable, but it's not a massive deal breaker for a headphone of this price. Another upgrade for the new version of these headphones is Bluetooth 5.4, and that allows you to connect to multiple devices. So you can connect to 2 devices at the same time, so you can switch between your phone and your computer, and you don't have to sort of disconnect from the Bluetooth to reconnect your computer. It can connect to multiple devices, and that's a new feature on Edifier headphones. Not just this version, but on new headphones that Edifier are releasing in the coming weeks or so as well. So yeah, that's a great upgrade. So let's test out the microphone actually. Let's try and see if we can record. I mean, that's how they look. I think they look, pretty good, I've got to say. I love the black. They are very comfortable. There's a good amount of adjustment, even though for someone with a massive head like me, they are very comfortable over-ear headphones, so they don't sort of press against your ears, they sort of caress them. Is that a thing? Should I be saying that? I don't know, but they sort of go surround them. They're very comfortable indeed. So let's connect to the phone to actually see what they actually sound like. Okay, so this is the audio you're hearing from the built-in microphones on the headphones. So if you're taking a phone call, this is the sort of audio quality that your other person you're talking to on the phone can kind of expect. So S1, 2, 3, what does it sound like? AI noise cancelling as well. So if you've got any background noise, it's going to reduce that. You may, with the noise cancelling generally, you hear a bit of a pause in between the different words. There's a bit of a dip in the audio quality. But, for normal phone calls, I'm guessing this is going to be perfectly fine. So let's do this test. I've got these binaural headphones from Sennheiser. I've got them plugged in to record. So basically, you're going to hear what comes out of the headphones and the ambient noise modes, the ANC modes, through these speakers on the outside of here, which actually record the ambient sound around, and then record into the iPhone. I'll also play some music as well, so you can listen to what the quality is like. So put some earbuds in now. I'll give you a minute. Take your time, and you'll be able to hear exactly how these perform and what the special features are like in your own earbuds. It's a nice experiment. It works really well. So I'll give you a second. Take your time. Get the earbuds in. How's your day going? Good. Nice one. I'm going to play some aeroplane ambient noise in the background, and then be able to test the ANC. So let's press record on here. We're recording in here. So
imagine we're on an aeroplane. You've got the ambient noise in the background. This is what we're hearing through the headphones. This is normal mode, I think, and we're going to change the mode by pressing the small button once.
Ambient sound.
Okay, so this is ambient sound. Before was just normal, ANC off. This is ambient sound, which actually enhances the audio from around you, so you can hear your surroundings, which is nice. A bit like transparency mode from Apple. So this is what this sounds like. So I can hear the airplane noise in the background really clearly. So you can imagine you're on a plane, you can hear everything that's going on. You want ANC, you want to get rid of that noise in the background?
Noise cancellation off.
That's noise cancellation off.
High noise cancellation.
Okay, so that's noise cancellation. It's not extreme. I can still hear like the drone of the plane, but it's definitely better than the ambient sound.
Ambient sound.
So that's the ambient sound.
Noise cancellation off. High noise cancellation.
So yeah, it definitely gets rid of quite a lot of the sound. Okay, let's play some music.
You are listening to the audio from the headphones. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to stop that there. I noticed that they are quite well balanced. You can obviously go into the application and change the EQ settings and everything via the Edifier X app. There's a decent amount of bass. It's not too bassy. And yeah, the trebles and everything, the mid-tones sound pretty good. Really quite impressed with them, actually. Like I said, I am not a audiophile by any stretch of the imagination, but I do use decent quality headphones a lot of the time, so you know what good quality is. And yeah, those sound, you know, for £80, $80, they sound really exceptional, actually. I do think the ANC could be a little bit stronger, but for the price range, you know, that's perfectly acceptable, I've got to say. So Edifier W830NB, the new version, they are much improved over the previous generation. Great battery life, great sound quality, active noise cancelling, light, portable, stronger now, new ergonomic design. There are lots of headphones out there, but Edifier are well renowned within the industry for making speakers. I actually use them there. I've got some of their speakers in the studio there for editing. They are fantastic. They are well known within the gaming industry as well for their audio quality as well. So yeah, some really good headphones here. If you want to check them out, there is a link in the description. And yeah, thanks for Edifier for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. Okay, that's it for this one. I shall see you on the next one, guys. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you check out this one over here, and you might like this one over there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.